Hi, I'm Chef AJ from the Saul Mirowitz Jewish Community School in St. Louis, Missouri. I work for Compass Group, and as part of National School Lunch Week, I'm going to show you a healthy recipe. Something that I really love is buffalo chicken wings. And I just had this idea, how could I make it vegan? How could I make it not fried and healthy? And so what I came up with is to do buffalo tofu. And let me run to the fridge really quick. We have extra firm tofu, and it doesn't need to be pressed out or anything like that as long as you're using extra firm. You just drain it like so and cut into cubes like this. So you got all your cubes like this. And the secret is to use cornstarch instead of flour. So extra bonus, you get a gluten-free product. So like this. We have a beaten egg. It's our egg wash. And cornstarch, and you're just going to lightly coat this. And one of the other things to know is these air fryers have become really popular. Well, an air fryer is just a convection oven. So if you're doing this in a commercial setting, you can use a convection oven. If you still haven't bought an air fryer and you want to do it at home and you have a convection oven, then this is the way to go. So just a little bit of salt and pepper. It's a shame I'm not at work. I'm in my home kitchen, as you can see, and I don't have any gloves, but it would have been awesome to have latex gloves because this stuff does stick to your hands a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna use any kind of spray, industrial, PM spray, whatever you have. Your parchment paper does have some oil in it to begin with, so it's going to help release, but this is all you do right here. Just try to keep them separate so that, you know, they won't lump together. And I mean, you could deep fry this, but since I do a healthy lunch program, obviously this is the way to go. And you can produce so much tofu. This is a half sheet pan. At work we have full sheets. You can get a lot of servings at one time. Okay. So I have a preheated 375 degree convection oven, and this is going to go in about 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. So we will see that in just a few minutes. Okay, 15 minutes has elapsed, and we will pull out the tofu from the oven. This is what it's going to look like. If it's not completely golden brown, that's fine, because we're going to be covering this in sauce. Let's take the tofu. Okay. So you got a large mixing bowl. We're using Frank's Red Hot. Use a wing sauce, would be awesome. Just see like that. And just gonna go ahead and shake to coat. Beautiful, beautiful tofu. You can let it cool down a little bit. We're gonna make a salad. I got about 1.5 to 2 cups of shredded romaine. Got a 1/4 cup of mozzarella cheese. I've got a commercially prepared ranch. Stick that right there. And we have carrot sticks. It's just like eating chicken wings, you know, it comes garnished with ranch and carrots for dipping, but we've turned it into a very healthy salad. So you only need about 1/4 of this. I would say that a 14-ounce packet of tofu is enough to make 4 salads. And so here we go. That is buffalo tofu. And I know some of you are questioning, going, do kids really eat this? And well, the answer is yes. I do have my 9-year-old daughter here, and she loves tofu prepared this way.
So good.